Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to zoom out in Mini Militia using your mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Here, let me go ahead and start a battle first in order to let you know how. The zoom out feature in Mini Militia is super easy to find. Whenever you are in a game, you can zoom in or zoom out by tapping on the little circle at the top left hand corner. This will now be able to zoom out or zoom in. If you tap on the button, whenever you need a closer look in the game, you can simply go ahead and tap on the icon at the top left and you'll be able to zoom in or zoom out on Mini Militia. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.